If your Onn TV remote is damaged or has stopped working, you do not need to purchase a new one. I found an excellent application that lets you control your Onn TV directly from your smartphone. You can manage almost everything directly from your phone. I personally like this application, which is why I decided to make this video. The app also lets you choose from several different themes. You can change the remote layout and colors according to your preferences. I recommend trying this application on your Android TV. You only need to download the application on your smartphone. There is no need to install any additional app on your television. To download it, open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for Stick Remote. Once you find the application, install it on your smartphone. I have already downloaded it on my phone. When you launch the app for the first time, you may see an option to purchase the premium version and unlock additional features. However, I recommend using the free version because it is more than enough for basic remote control needs. To connect the remote, make sure both your Onn TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, select your TV from the list of available devices. A unique pairing code will appear on your TV screen. Enter this code into the application on your smartphone, and then click Submit. The remote should connect to your television within a few seconds. The app's interface will appear on your phone. The first thing you will notice is its clean layout and easy navigation, making every control simple to find and use. In my opinion, this application is even better than a standard television remote because it provides more buttons, additional features, and faster controls. As you can see, the app works smoothly and offers several useful buttons that may not even be available on your original TV remote. It includes dedicated buttons for YouTube and Netflix, along with many other useful control options. The app also lets you choose from several different themes. You can change the remote layout and colors according to your preferences. Everything works with a single tap, and the response is fast and smooth. Since the channel is new, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more Onn TV streaming tips, tutorials, and app guides. Also, be sure to visit OnnTVHacks.com, where you'll find detailed step-by-step guides, app tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and everything you need to get the most out of your Onn TV device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.